Hello everyone. Let us begin our learning today with properties of liquid. Before we start talking about the properties of liquid, let us first see what is the definition of liquid. Those substances which show fluidity, that means which can flow, but are almost incompressible. We cannot compress them by applying force on them. And they have definite volume but no fixed shape. Such substances are called as liquid substance and the state is considered as liquid state. So those substances which show fluidity or which can flow but are almost incompressible and have a definite volume is called liquid. Let us start learning properties of liquid. The particles in a liquid are somewhat loosely packed and the space between them, the particle is slightly more than that of the solid. In case of liquid, the particles which are arranged are loosely packed and have space between the particles which is comparatively more than in case of solid. As liquid do not have an ordered arrangement, the particles have kinetic energy more as compared to the solids because of their randomly arrangement, unordered arrangement, irregular arrangement. The particles of liquid are loosely packed and have enough space, thus they show kinetic energy comparatively more than solid. Properties of liquid: no fixed shape. The liquids do not have fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are stored. We know that the particles of the liquid are weakly attracted and can move within the liquid due to the space present in them in any direction. For example, when we put or pour water in bowl, it takes shape of bowl, and when we pour water in glass, it takes shape of glass. This shows that liquid do not have fixed shape. And the reason behind this property is that the particles of liquid are loosely packed and have enough space in between them. So the particles move randomly in any direction. No regularity is maintained. Thus, it do not have any fixed shape. Coming to next property, that is fixed volume. The liquids have fixed volume because at given temperature, the interparticle space of liquid is fixed. At fixed temperature, the interparticle space of liquid is fixed. When we increase the temperature, then the interparticular space between the matter particle increases. But till the time the temperature is fixed, the space is also fixed. There is no increase in between the particles of the matter. There is no increase in between the space of the matter of the particles. Therefore, they cannot be compressed much. We cannot compress them. We cannot change their shape by applying force. For example, we cannot compress the water-filled balloon much more if mouth of balloon is tied with a string. Because if it is tied with a string, it acquire a fixed volume and temperature maintain is same. No change in temperature take place. Thus the interparticular space do not get increased, and that's why liquid have fixed volume at fixed temperature. Third property is fluidity. Liquid shows fluidity. It means they can flow from height to depth, as we have seen water pouring down or flowing from the mountains. The fluidity of different liquid is different due to the different density. All the liquids do not have same type of density. Some liquids are thick, some liquids are thin. Liquids can be both volatile and non-volatile. Generally, the liquid having high density are less volatile and the liquid having low density are more volatile. Volatile nature of liquid means how easily it gets converted into vapor state. What is the meaning of volatility? Volatile nature of a liquid means that how easily any liquid get converted into vapor state. So the liquid which is having high density is less volatile. It will take more time to get changed into vapor state. Whereas the liquid which is having low density, which is thin, it will easily get changed into vapor. Thus, volatility depend upon the density of the substance. For example, when we open the tank of petrol and diesel, simultaneously we smell petrol faster than the diesel. When we open the tank of petrol and diesel simultaneously, we get the smell of petrol faster than diesel because petrol is more volatile than diesel. That means the density of petrol is less than diesel, and we learn that the substance which have low density will show more volatility, will get changed into vapor in very less time. Thus, we get the smell of petrol faster than diesel when we open the tank simultaneously because petrol is thinner. Petrol is having low density. So, easily it will get turned into vapor. Hence, we can say that liquid have definite volume but not definite shape, and they show fluidity. Coming to next topic, that is density. The liquid have lesser density than solid because of intermolecular space between the matter particles. Mercury is the liquid with maximum density. Mercury is the liquid which is having maximum density, although mercury is a metal, but at room temperature it show liquid state. It exists in liquid state. Kinetic energy. As we have learned that kinetic energy increases with the increase in between the interparticle space. So in case of liquid, interparticle atoms are arranged loosely. So enough space is there, comparatively more than the solid. Thus kinetic energy of liquid is comparatively more than solid. Our last topic, that is diffusion. The rate of diffusion in liquid is faster as compared to the solid. That is also due to the reason because of interparticular space is more than the solid. The more volatile the liquid, faster will be the rate of diffusion. More volatile means the substance which directly change from liquid to gas in very less time. That means it is that much of volatile. So faster will be the rate of diffusion. For example, spirit is more volatile than water. Some examples of volatile liquids such as water, petrol, spirit, ether, acetone. That is why when we put acetone on our palm or nail remover on our palm, in very less time it get change into vapor. It get diffused. It shows us volatility. Or when we spray perfume, in very less time it get diffused. It shows its volatility. That is all about the properties of liquid. Now, let us define gaseous state. The state of matter having loosely arranged particles in which interparticular space is comparatively more than solid as well as liquid. Highest volatility and negligible force of attraction. Interparticular space is more. Very weak force is there, and with very weak force interparticle atoms are held with each other. So the state of matter having loosely arranged particle, highest volatility and negligible force of attraction between the particle is called gas. Thank you.